Okay. Today Clary's doing her first real walking. And she's been doing great. Alright, come back to mommy.
Turn around.
Well, try again.
Spencer.
Spencer can walk too.
Spencer.
Go ahead, stand up, Clary.
Okay, walk to daddy.
Come on, baby. Look at those good steps. Oh, look at those good steps. Alright, let's go back to mom.
Oh, you're gonna go to Sharon.
Yeah. Oh.
Spencer. Hi. Okay, ready? Where's daddy?
I'm way over here. Come on over.
Yay, come on.
Good girl. Yay. What a big girl.
Hey, Spencer.
Oh, try again.
Good job, Spencer. Good walking.
Good job. Good job.
I guess going to the hospital did a lot of good this week. Oh, clunking down.
There she goes.
Back in default mode.
I'm going. And it's my turn. Hi,